In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite tool. If you have ever wanted to post something to your social media pages at the right time, this quick process in Hootsuite makes it simple. You will be able to create a post, write your message, connect it to the correct social profile, and then schedule it for later. Let us walk through it step by step, in the same order you will follow on screen. First, click the Create Pencil icon. This icon is usually the starting point for writing a new post inside Hootsuite. When you click it, you should see an area where you can compose your message. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct place for creating a new social post, not editing an existing one. This matters because it sets up the rest of the steps that follow. Next, select your social media profile. After you open the composer, Hootsuite will ask you to choose which account the post should go to. Look for the profile options in the interface and choose the one you want to use. For example, if you manage multiple pages, the profile selection ensures that your text will be posted to the correct destination. Choosing the right profile early prevents mistakes and saves time later. Now that your profile is chosen, type your text into the box. This is where you write the message you want to share. Keep an eye on the text area and make sure your message fits as intended. If you have any links, hashtags, or mentions you plan to include, enter them here. As you type, review your content briefly so you feel confident it says exactly what you want before you schedule it. After you finish writing, click Schedule for later. This option tells Hootsuite that you do not want to publish immediately. Instead, you want to plan the timing so your post goes out at a chosen date and time. When you select Schedule for later, the interface should switch to scheduling controls, which allow you to pick when the post should be published. At this point, choose your date and time. Look for the date picker or calendar control and select the day you want. Then set the exact time you want the post to go live. Make sure the time you choose matches your goal and the time zone shown in the scheduling section. If the platform displays 1, selecting the correct date and time is the key part of scheduling because it determines when your audience will see your post. Finally, click the blue Schedule button. This is the confirmation step that submits your scheduled post to the system. Once you click it, Hootsuite will save the post and schedule it according to the details you selected. You may see a confirmation or the post move into a scheduled list, depending on the view you are using. If you see your post there, that is a good sign that everything was set correctly. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.